Okay, so here I am with Miss Ella Chamberlain, and she's going to explain to me what she sees as a possible problem with this tank that we're next beside.
There's rust all over.
There's rust all over. Okay, yeah. So this tank actually does have sediment that builds up in it, and over time it will erode and cause even some leaks to take place. Which have happened to some homeowners, us being one in the past, and it could flood your floor. So imagine a mess like that.
And there's already a pile of water over there.
Oh yes, and we do have a pile of water in our basement right now. So what's great about our Tankless is that they don't do that. So there you have it. Another benefit of having a Tankless is a no flood situation in your basement.